Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the 2027 Porsche 918 Spyder, a car that redefines what a hybrid hypercar can be. The 918 name is legendary, and this new iteration takes everything fans loved and pushes it even further. From its design to its performance and technology, this car is built to thrill anyone who sits behind the wheel. The exterior is stunning and purposeful. Every curve, vent, and line has a reason. The long hood flows into muscular rear haunches, while aggressive air intakes and cooling vents keep the hybrid powertrain operating at peak efficiency. The headlights are sleek and futuristic, and the rear features a diffuser and a deployable wing that automatically adjusts for maximum downforce. Porsche has used lightweight carbon fiber extensively, reducing weight while keeping the structure rigid and strong. The combination of style and function gives it an unmistakable presence on the road and track. Inside, the cockpit is a perfect blend of luxury and driver-focused design. The seats hold you firmly in place during aggressive driving, while the cabin is wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. The layout is minimal yet high-tech, with a digital display and central touchscreen offering essential controls without overwhelming the driver. Physical buttons and paddles provide tactile feedback, keeping the connection between the car and driver fully engaging. Everything feels purposeful, reminding you this is not just a luxury car, but a true performance machine. Performance is where the 918 Spyder really stands out. It combines a high-revving, naturally aspirated V8 engine with multiple electric motors to deliver incredible power and instant torque. Acceleration is mind-blowing, reaching 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. And the car handles with precision, balance, and stability that makes it confident even at extreme speed. The hybrid system also allows for effortless low-speed driving, making it usable in everyday situations while still offering the explosive performance expected from a supercar. Every twist of the wheel and press of the pedal demonstrates Porsche's mastery of engineering and hybrid technology. The price of the 2027 918 Spyder reflects its exclusivity and performance. Limited production, advanced engineering, and collector demand keep the price well into the 7-figure range. Owning one is not just about driving a car, it's about holding a piece of automotive history and innovation in your hand. The 918 Spyder combines design, technology, and raw power in a way that few cars in the world can match, making it a highly sought-after hypercar for enthusiasts and collectors alike. The 2027 Porsche 918 Spyder is more than just a car. It's an experience. It seamlessly blends hybrid technology with traditional supercar thrills, offering breathtaking performance, an extraordinary interior, and a presence that turns heads everywhere it goes. If you're passionate about cars and crave the ultimate driving experience, this hypercar delivers in every sense. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.